Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this very delicious, authentic, correct Niger Ogbono soup. So guys, let's get started. So first, I'll be cooking my protein, and guys, I'm not using everything here. I'll just cook and then separate the one I'll keep, then use for this purpose. So I added my ginger and garlic paste, chopped onion, seasoning powder and salt. And guys, for this recipe, I'll be using no seasoning. And afterwards, I combine, then cover to cook. Sorry, I added water to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also give this video a huge thumbs up. And also, your comments are so there to me. I love to read your comments. Don't just watch and pass. Say something in the comment section. Thank you. So while our beef is cooking, let's go prep for our ogbono soup. So guys, this is the major ingredients for your ogbono soup, and you want your ogbono to be like this without any chunk, just in this powdered form. So I'm adding my oil. I don't know why this is done. I know there are other methods, but I just think this is just the method I know of that my mom taught me. So I'll just mix this, combine this together and set aside. So guys, let me explain this. This is ogbono in powdered form. Ogbono is actually a seed, but I didn't film that part. I blended that seed parts before blending. So I blended with crayfish. You can blend separately. I don't know why I'm making this mistake in blending. You can blend separately or grind. You can grind it separately, then, but just anyone you prefer, okay? So guys, this is what we got after mixing our ogbono, our blended ogbono with oil. You can see how dried it is looking. Yes, this is how it should look after mixing. Not so much oil, and yeah, this is just the perfect way your mixed ogbono should look like. You can see how it is. Yes, just like a hair, exactly like this, so let's check on our beef. Yes, our beef is cooked, and I will just separate the one I'm using for this purpose. So this is it guys. I'll just go in with my already cooked stockfish and shake, and I don't know what the other ones are called. I know I have three assorted here, so I can't remember what the other one is called, sha. So let's just pass. So I'll go in with my pepper blend, tatashe, shombo, and scotch bonnet pepper, and then my seasoning, which is Knorr seasoning. Like I said earlier, I used Knorr for this purpose, just this one, this beef seasoning. So I'll go in with Knorr seasoning and then salt. I'm saucing this again because I'm cooking now. So this is my meat broth. I added plenty of it. If you have it available, please just add it to your ogbono and thank me later. So after adding my meat broth, I'll go in with enough water. Enough water. My ogbono is plenty, so I'll just cover to cook for about, I just want to bring this to a boil. You can see it's boiling already. So I'll go in with my soft ganda. It's also known, that's soft ganda, that's cow skin or pomo. In Nigeria we call it pomo. So I'll just go in with my soft pomo. I'm adding my pomo now because it's not hard. It's soft, very soft. So after this, I'll go in with my mixed powdered ogbono and oil. I'll just go in with everything, then combine together. And when I notice it's too thick, I'll go in with enough water to loosen it up. I don't want lump in my ogbono. That thing can be so annoying, so I don't want it at all. So I'll just mix immediately, just stir everything. I added water because I want it loose. My husband don't like thick ogbono. Nah, he likes it a bit loose, but this ogbono is sharp plenty, so let's make it loose a bit. Just the one you prefer though. You can cook thick or watch a bit watery, just the one you prefer. Okay, so I'll just cover this halfly, and this is just the best position you should cover your ogbono at this point, because you don't want it pouring out. I don't know what that is called, sha. So guys, you can see we are doing a good job. See how our ogbono is looking. Can you see that? Once your ogbono is looking like this, just know you are doing well. Okay, so next I'll be going in with my smoked mackerel fish and deboned mackerel fish and panla fish. Guys, if this two ingredients are not in your ogbono soup, you are playing. You are playing, guys. At this point, the aroma coming out from my kitchen was calling my neighbors like, come on, joy is cooking. I'm not capping. So for this soup, I'll be adding bitter leaf, and you can add any leaf you prefer. Okay, I prefer bitter leaf in my ogbono. There is this special sweetness and flavor bitter leaf add to your ogbono soup. Trust me. If you've never used bitter leaf in your ogbono soup, just try it the next time you are making ogbono soup and thank me. Make sure you say thank you after trying it. After trying this recipe, please don't forget to come to this comment section and say, Joy, thank you for this delicious recipe. Okay, so next I will just stir and leave this to cook. Once your ogbono is doing this, giving these vibes like brokoto, you can see, you've made it. You have made it in life. If your ogbono is looking like this, just know you have made it. I don't know why I'm doing this voiceover. So guys, we are leaving this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and this time we are not covering our ogbono. Just leave this to express itself. Covering your ogbono will reduce the sliminess, and this is draw soup. You don't want that. Let the drawing be giving that drawing vibes, like draw vibes. And at this point, guys, my ogbono is ready. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.